It's called Big Girl Statement. Read and adhere. All right. I love me. Big, tall, small, short. Why the fuck should I care if you don't? Attention, attention. To the brothers that act as if they don't want to fuck with us big sisters, nigga, please. The women in your family look just like me. You fraudulent motherfuckers. Need to stop fronting. I ain't even tripping though. That gives me more time to learn myself. Get it? Learn myself. To all the toothpick sisters who think, my man don't want her, she too big so I can leave him alone. Girl, shit. That nigga will fuck regardless. I ain't even tripping though. Every time you getting ready, taking forever, he eyeballing me in these size 28, 30 jeans. If I want them, I'll take them. To the critic, wondering how she hold her head so high, or why her self-esteem is always on 1,000, or oh, look at her, I didn't know she could get down.
She get down?
Well, you learn something new every damn day. To you, and you, especially your ass in the back, this here is a big girl statement. Read and adhere, motherfuckers.